Hello guys, in this video we'll make a car parking management system project. So in parking, whenever object will be detected by our IR sensor, it will play a siren and it will notify the driver that there's an object detected. So let's get started. First we'll take a on interval event node. To read the IR sensor readings, we'll take a read node. We'll read at pin 14. We'll read at pin 14. Mode will be pull up only and we'll label. In the output we'll get. We'll rename the variable as IR. We'll add a if condition. So for that we'll take a if node. We'll connect with the flow. In the node properties we'll specify a condition that if the IR is equals to 0, which means if our IR sensor value is 0, means an object is detected. Play the sound. So for that we'll take a sound node. We'll configure it. The output pin will be 2. Click on add. The switch will be turned on. Hertz will be 650. Click done. And if there's no object, we'll say that the sound should be off. So we'll again take the sound node. We'll say switch off. Click on done. Let's save the flow. Verify the flow. And we are good to upload it.